Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is September the 29th and I'm using my new Super Trader system. Now as you can see, I took these trades from around 7 in the morning and I closed out the trades by approximately 9 a.m. New York time. So roughly 2 hours of trading and I am done trading for the day. Now before I get into these trades, I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time, and that includes all my trigger systems. It took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. To get that up to 80 or 90% success rate, you'll have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, and a lot of education. I provide the education. You must buy the education and then you must do the homework, or you will fail at trading. I highly suggest putting in more than one trade at a time, as no one knows which pair will move the greatest number of pips. That is why I place 3 or more trades at a time. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. I repeat that over daily, many times, as it is very important for your success as a trader. So please keep that in mind as we move forward. So first trade, pound yen. Now remember, you must do like what I do every day, drill down the lights from the higher time frames and go in the direction of the trend. Many traders do not do that, and that is why they are losing. Anyhow, after I drill down the lights, I end up putting this arrow right here to remind me that I want to be selling. So here we move forward. That's exactly what I did. Sold it. Stop was really small right there. Can't get much tighter than that. 4 pip stop. And I closed out the trade. Looks like with, I was happy with 14 pips. And 14 pips on the pound yen trade paid $1,255. Moving forward to the next trade. Let's see, crude oil. Here we go. There's the arrow reminding me to buy after I drill down the lights. So let's see where I got in at. Did a bit of a pullback. That's the way the market is. It doesn't go straight up or straight down. Took the trade at that. Cursor went against me 25 pips, not a big deal. And I closed it out, it looks like with the same number of pips, 14 pips. And 14 pips on crude oil paid $1,400. Let's check out the next trade, pound Swiss. Drill down the lights, there's my line, there's the arrow. I knew exactly what to do with 95% certainty. Took the trade, didn't even go 1 pip against me. And I closed it out again with the same number of pips, 14 pips, and those 14 pips paid $1,612. And of course, forgot to mention, these trades qualified for a great way to trade using the indicators on the top and the bottom. The system, super trend here is red boxes, a lot of red down at the bottom. Well, red means sell, and obviously blue means buy. Anyhow, next trade, Euro Aussie. Here we go. Everything's screaming blue. Down here, well, even if you move this over one more, it's not a big deal. Everything's screaming blue to buy. So that's exactly what I did. Bought it. Few candles later, obviously, but not a big deal. Took the trade. Another trade that did not even go 1 pip against me. Love trading that way. I show exactly how to trade this way within the training videos. 2 of them are called How to Get Near Perfect Timing Entries, and this is it. Not even 1 pip going against me, and I locked in 35 pips. And those 35 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $2,523. Okay, moving on to the next trade, pound dollar. Another great example of a great way to trade. The whole system, red boxes, red super trend. It's not too difficult to make that trading decision. Pull the trigger here. Look at my stop right there. That little tiny cursor. Can you get any smaller than that? 3 pips. And I ended up clearing 37 pips. And 37 and roughly 37 pips, paying out on the pound dollar trade $3,800. And by the way, as it was going down, the meter was screaming. The pound was at the bottom, and it was also screaming to, it's the 2 white ones here. A trader asked me, why are some of them in white as opposed to green? Well, whatever pair you're looking at, it helps you to spot it super fast. Pound, dollar, sell. So anyhow, now you know that little tip. Next trade. Now the ones that really paid out the most, as you can see down at the bottom. Again, I'll repeat. The ones that pay the most, generally as a rule, will be futures. And like the Dow Jones, and this pays $5 a pip. Crude oil and gold is $10 a pip. And NASDAQ actually pays $20 a pip. So be careful with this NASDAQ, because just as easy as you can make a lot of money, I could have easily lost a lot of money. But I know with 95% certainty my super trader system is telling me whether I should be buying and or selling. Dow Jones. After I drill down the lights, there's the arrow, not complicated. Everything red, you know, green lines going down. What more could you ask for? Well, sell. There's my stop right there. As you can see, there's the stop loss. Getting in at this cursor. Stop was 25 pips. Locking in 121 pips. And those 121 pips paid $5,900. Moving on to the NASDAQ. And every time I say NASDAQ, I think of nasty, like this is one heck of an instrument to trade. You really got to be wide awake and focused when you're pulling the trigger on the NASDAQ. And let's see. Well, I sold it. Can't see where the stop is at the moment. It's probably on this candle or this candle. I'm not too sure where it is. But I did have the stop in. Anyhow, drilled down the lights. Everything red. What more could I ask for? Plus the system, the boxes, the super trend. There it is right there, super trend. There's right, oh, actually, there's the stop right there. Anyhow, let's see what it went against me. 83. Sometimes with so many digits here, I believe that's 8 pips. Can't be 83 pips. So that's 8 pips against me. And that's 50. Yeah, that's right. Let's get it right. 8 pips against me, locking in 51 pips. And look at that, 51 pips on the NASDAQ, paid $10,180. So another great day of trading using my Super Trader system. Today I ended up with 287 pips, and those 287 pips paid $26,671. So if your system is not producing some great results like my Super Trader system, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see the Super Trader system that I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. If you don't learn this, you'll never succeed at trading. My system has well over 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 5 MT4 templates, 12 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is a lot of extra education that you'll need to succeed at trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 45 training videos. My number one way of trading is a great way to trade. I look for that daily as it has a very high success rate. Now, I want to comment that this video right here, how to backtest using the trading simulator, it's about 50 minutes long, packed with a lot of tips and tricks on how to use the trading simulator and how to trade. This is a very good, if not number one reason why I am doing so great today is because every weekend I am practicing up to 8 hours, and over the weekend you can put in 100 or more trades. You could actually, in theory, do the equivalent of 1 year's worth of trading on the weekend. So imagine after 1 month, 4 weeks, it will give you the equivalent of 4 years worth of trading. And that will certainly speed up your learning curve. Like within 1 month, you know, I increased my pip output by 100 pips. So this alone is worth $250. And I will show you how you can get your hands on this trading simulator for free. So remember, education costs money. Remember, if you don't buy education, you're going to struggle. So I'm not going to go through everything here. All you got to do is put the video on pause. Any questions, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, just send me an email. Here's my email address. I really do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link and we'll have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I will give you a free session and answer your questions and give you some tips and tricks on trading. Remember, I do all of that for like no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the trigger systems I've been building over the years. So that just about wraps up this video, and I'll repeat it one more time. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, happy trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.